Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hello, hola, namaste, and what's up?
होला क्या बेटा ग्रासियस वाक्का वाक्का है आगे बोल.
Happy belated Teachers Day. और अगर आप अपने टीचर्स की रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं तो ड्रॉप अ लाइक ऑन दिस वीडियो. नाउ मूविंग ऑन विद द वीडियो. बूंद बूंद से ही सागर बनता है. दिस इज वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट सेइंग्स ऑफ ऑल टाइम. और ये सेइंग कुछ उन हैबिट्स पे भी अप्लाई होती है जिनको आप डेली फॉलो करते हैं. दीज हैबिट टेक अ पार्ट ऑफ योर हेल्थ एवरी डे एंड यू सी देयर इफेक्ट्स इन फॉर्म ऑफ अ डिजीज और एन इलनेस. Everyone knows that habits like smoking and eating junk food can have a negative impact on our health. But can our daily habits can have a long lasting effect on our health? So today in my video I am going to talk about 5 such habits. So if this sounds interesting, then let's check the video. Habit number 1, keeping a wallet in your back pocket.
Hold up. No, I ain't too flawless, and no, I ain't the best, and no, I don't say sorry, and no, I ain't perfect, but I am the man. I am the man. Shots fired.
जो भी लड़का वॉलेट कैरी करता है उसको बात पता है कि वॉलेट के लिए सबसे ज्यादा कन्वीनियंट प्लेस आपकी बैक पॉकेट है. बट वॉलेट may be convenient, it is definitely not healthy. Sitting on a wallet for even a brief 15-minute period can cause a shift in your spine and your spinal ligaments will start to change. This will eventually create an asymmetry which will disrupt your spine's normal alignment. So, sitting on a wallet for a long period of time can cause chronic back pain and spinal deformities like scoliosis and kyphosis, which are pretty severe deformities. Habit number 2, brushing your teeth right after eating. Even though some of us tend to brush our teeth right after eating, according to multiple studies, you should wait for at least 30 minutes after eating before brushing them. Our teeth are protected by enamel, and acids created by different foods can wear away this layer, meaning that our teeth are at their weakest after eating. Thankfully, our body is having a natural way of balancing the high acid levels with the help of saliva, but that takes time. So कुछ भी खाने के बाद ब्रश करने का मतलब ये है that you are directly attacking your teeth, even if you are using a soft toothbrush. So remember, wait for at least 30 minutes before brushing. Habit number 3, sleeping too much. Lockdown का एक side effect. Just as having an inadequate sleep is wrong, having too much sleep can also have a bad effect on your health. Sleeping is the time when our body recuperates and repairs itself. But oversleeping brings with it a number of health hazards. The right amount of sleep varies from person to person, but the general benchmark of a good and sound sleep is anywhere between 7 to 9 hours. Consider this to be an optimal sleeping pattern. Too much sleep on a regular basis has been linked to higher rates of mortality, depression, heart diseases, high blood pressure, and impaired brain functioning. Habit number 4, using sanitizers in excess amount. Because of this COVID-19 situation, the hand sanitizers market has soared to new heights. But sanitizers are not as effective as a proper 20-second hand washing session. Apart from the fact that hand sanitizers are very harmful for newborn babies, some chemicals in hand sanitizers are known to cause weaker immune systems, hormone disruptions, antibiotic disruptions, and even sometimes alcohol poisoning. And out of all hand sanitizers, you should not use scented ones at all because synthetic fragrances contain phthalates, which are endocrine disruptors that mimic hormones and could alter genital development. So my suggestion is that you should only use hand sanitizers when you have no other choice. Now, last but not the least, habit number 5, placing your laptop on your lap. Laptops are one of the most common productivity tools today, but contrary to its name, however, a laptop doesn't belong on your lap. Unless until you want to expose yourself to harmful EMF radiation. Laptops also generate a lot of heat. which can ultimately damage your reproductive organs and reproductive cells, especially for males. So if you are using a laptop by keeping it on your lap, stop right now. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Until next time.